Michigan police honor kids who turned in wallets stuffed full of cash. Honesty lives in Michigan. Just ask Jason Bucart. Bucart unknowingly lost his wallet at a park in Hopkins and just south of Grand Rapids, but two honest teens returned his money and restored his faith in humanity. The police department in nearby Wayland revealed that Logan Misso, 14, and Austin Nicholas, 13, had turned aside the chance at easy money to do the right thing. I was talking to one of the elegant deputies out back of our police department when Austin and Logan walked up. Seems they found a wallet belonging to a gentleman from Hopkins. Several hundred bills, $100 bills, 364 total, was stuck safely inside. Wayland Police Chief Mark Gansey posted on department's Facebook page on August 4. Logan and Austin are Wayland Police citizens of the day. The deputy is delivering the wallet as we speak. Way to go, gents, he posted. After having his wallet returned, Bucart, who lives in Hopkins, rewarded the boys with $50 each for their honesty. Bucart had gone home after a lunch and the park did not know his wallet was missing until an Allegan County Sheriff's deputy came to his home to return it. We sat in the pavilion at the table and we ate lunch and then got up and left. He said, I had no idea my wallet was even missing, no clue. The boys found the wallet on a park bench. I sat down and I almost sat on it and Austin was like, oh Logan look. And I was like, what? And I looked down and there's a wallet. Logan said according to reports. Bucart was floored. It's not the norm, he said. Many people today would just take the money and run with it. Gansey was pleased that boys acted to practice what they had been taught. These are all our kids, and when they do right thing like that, I'm about as happy as the parent, he said. It's a tough spot right now for all of us and to be able to share this with the community. I'm proud that our citizens acted this way. It's super easy to do the right thing when someone is standing there and sees you do it, he said. It's a whole other level of integrity when no one knows that you have found and what you have, and you still do the right thing.